Hey Jules, are you coming into the office today?
No, I'm doing home office today.
Oh, you mean you're working from home?
Yes, what's the difference?
Uh, Let me explain. Hello, Tino Trevor here with a quick English tip for you. I hear the words home office used incorrectly often as a verb phrase by many of my students. Never say I'm doing home office. That's wrong. Instead say I'm working from home. I'm working from home. Home office is a noun phrase or compound noun which refers to an office you have at your home. Here are a few examples of home office in use. This is my home office. Before I turned this part of my bedroom into a makeshift home office, I was working out of my kitchen. If you don't want to use the words working from home, you can use these alternatives: teleworking and telecommuting. They mean the same thing. To recap, that's three options: working from home, teleworking, and telecommuting. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Are you working from home? Do you have a home office? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, cheers, peace out.